Hello, today I am going to show you how you can install and set up Retropie so that you can play your favorite retro games on a Raspberry Pi. All you will need for this is a Raspberry Pi, a keyboard or controller, and a computer to install the software. Let's get started. First, you are going to want to search for the Raspberry Pi installer. You can then install the Raspberry Pi imager, which allows us to set up many different operating systems, including Retropie, which we will be using. You simply have to insert your SD card into your PC. You then select the Retropie operating system in the imager, followed by the SD card as the storage location. Now click right and it will load onto the SD card. Next, I inserted the SD card into the Pi and connected power and Ethernet to the Raspberry Pi. Once it starts, follow the on-screen instructions for setting up your controller. I am using a keyboard, however, you can use any controller which is compatible. Now you have set up your controller. You can enter the configuration menu and go to Raspi config. Now select interface options, SSH, then yes to enable SSH. You can now press OK, then finish to exit back to Retropie. Next, we are going back to the PC where we will be using WinSCP to transfer our game ROM. Navigate to Retropie, ROMs, and drag your ROM into the corresponding console. Some consoles require a BIOS, which can be added to the BIOS folder located in the same place as the ROMs folder. Now we go back to the Raspberry and restart the emulation station. We should now see the console for the ROM we uploaded, where we will be able to find and load the game. Congratulations! You now have successfully set up Retropie and can play your favorite games. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell.